Hello. Hello.
Hello, hello.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay, I'm doing it with again. Okay, because that was very short recorded. Okay, let's do it with some another iterator function, which is rank rank x. Okay, so I have already told you. I'm just taking a product here, and from the product I'm just selecting only the bikes. Okay, so here in this visual I'm just making a filter of bikes. I'm just closing it here. Okay, now on the basis of orders, and orders are here in the quantity, this one. Okay, I'm just taking it here. Okay, so on the basis of orders I need to create their ranking. Okay,
Oh,
their ranking,
oh,
which one is the first, which one is second, which one is third. So what I have already done is I have created a quantity measure here that is doing nothing but just sum of this order quantity. Okay, so what I can do you is I can use this order quantity, I can use this measure only. Both will give me the same result. Okay, because it is made
okay.
out of this order quantity. I'm just removing it now. Okay, so now what I have to do is, one second, is recorded now. It's recording, I
Yes,
guess.
it's okay. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is, on the basis of this quantity, I have to give the ranking to this product. Okay, so I am going to create a RANKX function here. Okay, I'm going to create a RANKX function. Order. What should it, what name should it be? Product, okay. Product rank. Okay. Product rank order.
Mhm.
I'm just putting its name. And what I have told you, we are going to use rank x function for this. Okay. And as it is a iterator function, it will demand for the table, product table. Okay. So I'm just giving here product table and then the expression, and expression is our quantity. Okay, here. So on the basis of this, it will give me the rank. Okay, on the basis of this quantity, it will give me the rank of the product. Okay, I'm just putting it here. So it has created my the measure. Now you can see it has given me the rank. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, which is absolutely wrong, because you know what it's doing is, it's doing here is going to the product and it's comparing it by itself. Okay, it's comparing the first first row, you can see. So it's comparing the first row to itself. That's why it's returning to the one. Okay, it's comparing the second one to the second one. That's why it's giving the second the one. Okay, as the same thing is doing for every row. Okay, that's why what I have to do is I have to remove the filter from this column. Okay, this product column. So what I am going to do is, for removing the filter, I have told you we use
Oh,
okay. So hope it's making sense to you now. Huh?
mhm.
Okay, you understood whatever I have told you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. As I'm pressing enter, okay. Now what it has done is it has removed the filter from our product. Okay. And now it's giving me the this answer. Okay. But let me check it's correct or not. So this is 16, this is 18, this is. And now you can see here 24, 24, 24, 24. Okay. You have seen a multiple of 24, which, but the values are different in the quantity. Can you see that?
Yes.
You notice
Yes.
that?
Yes. Yes.
So this
Mm,
is the issue we are facing here. Okay.
mm,
So this function should not, this is just by looking at it, we already know that it should not be like this. Okay. So what has we done wrong? Let me check. Okay. So I'm just going to my measure. I'm just looking it. Okay, rank X, all I have done product. Okay, it's correct. Quantity, yes, it's correct. Okay.
mm,
In yeah, superficially, if we see it, it's looking correct. Okay, 1 second. Huh? But the thing is, this product is basically the table. This product is basically the table. But we have to go for this product, this column product. Okay. So what we have done, we have selected the whole table, which is the product. Okay. Rather than that, we have to select, this is the product. Okay. Let me show you here. This is the product. And rather than this product table, we have to go for this product column. Okay. But what we have done is we have done, we have gone for the whole table. Okay. So we have to improve our formula. We have to improve our measure here. So rather than going to this product, this complete table, I have to go for the product, correct? As I'm
mhm,
this one, this just like this. Okay. Now what I have done is I'm just hitting enter. Now you can see the menu. Yeah,
mm,
you got it. And it's
mm,
very hard to detect such errors. Okay.
mm,
So we have to be very mindful while creating our measures. And that is the step by step to, to find out the error and to debug our measure. Okay. Now let's check. It's giving me 297 is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's check the 10. Okay. This. It is giving because they both are the same number. So it is giving me 10, 10. Okay. Now
mm.
look at here. Where is the 11 then? Oh no, where is the 11?
Yeah.
11 is missed. Okay. 11 is missed. It's directly started from 12. It has missed. Okay. Let me check another one.
But why this?
Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm coming into it. Let me check.
Yeah,
There is
47, 47.
where is 47? Yeah,
40.
47, 47. After that, it should be 48, correct?
Mm,
But it directly started from 49. So
mm,
that is the limitation of our rank X function. Okay,
mm,
rank X function. So to resolve this issue, we use basically dense. Okay, we use dense. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am just creating the same measure and I'm just putting this one as dense. Okay, and I need not to do anything. Uh, I will put here. Okay, sorry, not here. I use this one, this one, dense. I think it should work. No, it's not working. I think I am missing something. This is this should be close all. Dense spelling is correct. It's not taking dense. Order. Okay, order is not given. It's showing me this. No, it should not work this way. Let me check. Okay, it's giving me the same thing. It should be dense here. I, our rank function, what it does is whenever we have two identical values, it will give us the same rank, but after that, it will skip the, the sequential number, the another number, and jump to the another, you know, it leaves one point ahead. Okay. Yes, like you have seen, it's giving 10, 10. It's left for 11 and give us the 12. So to improve, to remove this functionality, we use dense basically. Let me see. One second. Let me see how we have used dense here. Okay. So it has given me the same thing, the dense, but okay, there is a issue with there should be double comma. Yeah, exactly. Now it got it. Okay. So you got how this dense is working now?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So this was the mistake basically. Uh, the comma. There should be a three comma. That's now it has appeared the dense. First comma is here, second and third. Now I'm just putting it, hitting enter. Now you can see the change. Yes. Can you see? After 10, 10, it has given me 11, then 12, then 13, then 14,
Mm,
15.
mm, mm.
Okay. The same goes for that 30, that 46. Okay. 46, 46. Then it has given me 7, 47, 48. This way. So now you will ask why we are using the rank X and the dense. Okay. So there, some companies ask for the sequence, the rank with this way, and some companies, that's their style of working. So we have to work according to them. Okay. So you got it correct.
Yeah, I got you.
You have you got it. So you can
Yes.
see any issue now, any issue, any problem with the rank X or with this.
The last is the total number is one.
Exactly. Yes. The total number, how, okay, by looking the total number, you can see that why it's showing me one. Okay, why it's showing me one? Because it's a total. It should not show me
Yeah,
anything.
yeah.
No? Yeah, that's correct. Your your observation is correct. So we have to remove this from here.
Will you
So
give me
there are,
just 1 minute, please? I got a call.
okay, okay, hold on a second.
Important, yeah? I'm fine.
Recording, okay. So what is that? You can see my screen, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, so you got the issue that here in total we are also getting one. Okay, so we
Mm.
have to remove this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just creating another measure. Okay, what I'm going to do is let's remove it from the product rank order. Okay, product
Okay.
rank order. Let's remove it. So I'm just product rank order. I'm just copying it and I'm creating a new measure. Okay, I'm just pasting it here without total. I'm just putting it name. Okay, without total. So
Okay.
what logic I am getting? If I have, if I have any value in product, in this product column, okay, in this product column,
Hmm.
only then give me this result, okay. Otherwise, I don't uh, want anything, okay. You are getting what I'm trying to say.
Yes, yes, yes.
If there is any value has one value in product column, okay, only then give me this this solution, this formula, okay. Now I'm just hitting enter, okay. Now I'm just putting it here. You can see it. Can you see that?
Yes,
You
yes.
can't find it here. Now I'm just doing with the same, with the dense one, okay, with the dense one. Um, with the dense one, this is here. So I'm just creating another measure without total, no? Without total, without total. So the same thing. If I sorry, has one. If I have anything in product, product column, only then give me this uh, function. Okay. Otherwise, don't give me anything. Okay. Now I'm just putting it and keeping it here. Now you can see the result. Okay. Got it?
Yes.
Hello. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, yeah, yeah. So let me beautify these all things, okay, for you. It's not very much readable, so I'm using um, here. This is just formatting it for, okay. It's looking beautiful now. Now you can read it completely, okay. Now let me do the same thing with this one, okay. I'm just doing new, formatting it. Okay, it's looking good. Yeah. So just tell me, do you have any problem, any issue with that?
As of now, no. Let me go through it and then I will.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please go through all these iterator functions, whether it's sum, summax, rank X. Okay.
Mhm.
I'm going to publish it. I'm going to
Yeah,
publish
yeah,
it
yeah. Please, please.
to 300, and it was quite detailed, and there were only two things we have covered. Okay. So this is on page 5 and page 6. Okay. So let it get completed, and I'll share the uh,
Document.
video with you. Okay.
Okay.
I'm just publishing it to my YouTube channel. Okay. Okay. It's done. Now you can see this is okay. 5 and 6. I guess 5 and 6 we have done.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then I'll share you the recordings. See you tomorrow.